Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. This course introduces the function of recording clicks in web automation. This is done by clicking on the target directly in the Emily browser window, and the click step will be generated automatically. When Emily records a click step, it will generate 3 commands. The commands are mouse down, mouse up, and click. However, in some special web pages, only 1 or 2 of these commands may be recorded. Emily will record the CSS selector, text, and position of the click when recording the click step. Emily records the CSS selector, text, and location of the click, and refers to the above information to determine which component on the web page is to be clicked in the step. We'll show you how to use recorded clicks. The demonstration page is the CNN website, and the target we want to click on is the news category. First, open the training mode. Go to the CNN homepage. Then widen the window. Click on World. Emily will automatically record the steps of clicking World. It includes mouse down world, mouse up world, click world. And by clicking this button, the web page will jump to the World page. Then we can finish the training mode. Test and upload skills. Next, I'll show how these steps can be tweaked. We can tweak CSS Selector and text of these steps to let Emily click on a different target. I'll show you how to change from clicking on World to clicking on Sports, since the CSS Selector for World button and Sports button are similar. So I can just adjust the text and let Emily decide to click the Sports button. First, go to Tweak Mode. And tweak the parameters of mouse down world, mouse up world, and click world. Tweak the text and change world to sports. In the Adjust Parameter field, you can specify a specific text or use a regular expression to set it. After adjusting to sports, save the skill, run it again, and you can see Emily change the button to click sports. Next, we will demonstrate how to tweak the CSS selector. Change the CSS selector to a menu node so that Emily can click on the menu. Our goal is to open the menu. You can use the Web Developer tool to see the CSS selector of the target node. First, go to Tweak Mode. After clicking Config Selector, you can see the CSS Selector, which Emily automatically recorded. Then we go back to Emily and enter the node path we just observed. After adjusting, save and rerun. Then you can see Emily click the menu button. A common error is that the target cannot be found to click. If you can't find the target to click according to the text, CSS Selector, then it will interrupt the execution and this error message will appear. If you want to prevent Emily from interrupting and continue with the next steps when it can't find the target click, you can turn on the optional switch in this way. Even if Emily can't find the target click, it will continue the next step. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.